Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Peugeot Boxer 2017 plate, and what we've installed on this vehicle is a Starline M66 security system. So the way this system works, it protects your car from being stolen, from keyless car thieves, sorry. So they can't steal your vehicle without having a special tag. So this tag is disabled at the moment, so it's not working. So I'm going to show you how they would steal your vehicle. So what they do is they copy your key frequency and they relay it back to your car, and they're able to unlock it. So they get in the car. You cannot stop them from getting in the car, but when they get in and try and start it to drive off, so I'm just going to put the key in, or usually they get to the OBD port and they clone your key through the OBD port as well. And when they go to try and start the car, I'm turning the key, the car will not start. It's fully immobilized. Also, what's going to happen is it's going to call you on your phone because it's linked to your phone.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
As you can see, it lets you know the alarm's gone off by someone trying to start the car without the special tag. So I'm just going to get the tag with me. Okay, so now I got the tag with me. So it's the working tag I got with me. So when I have the tag with me now, if I try and start the car, you can see the car starts. So you need to have that special tag with you to be able to start the vehicle. But you do have additional features with this system. So it comes with a full phone app with this system. It's also got a built-in tracker, so you can track your vehicle and see where it is, and it also allows you to send various commands to the system to control it as well. So you got stuff like to update the location on the map. This one here is for anti-hijack. So let's say someone were to take your keys and they take your tag as well. If they take both and they drive off with your vehicle, what you can do is you can log into another phone. You can download the app on another phone, and you have a set of login details which you can log into the app, or you can do it through the website, and you can activate this. And what that is it's like a remote immobilizer. It's called anti-hijack. So what will happen is when they drive off with the vehicle and they stop it somewhere, they will not be able to start the vehicle again. It's going to be fully immobilized. So they have the tag, they have the key, the car will not start still because it's immobilized using your phone. And yeah, you can disarm it using your phone as well. This one here is for service, so you take it to a service. You don't have to give them the tag, you can just give them the keys and they can drive the vehicle without the tag. Yeah, so this system is a very advanced system. We're putting on lots of cars at the moment, and vans and commercial vehicles, because these vehicles will be stolen because of their high value, all these new cars. So yeah, if you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 554. It's called the Starline M66 security system. Or you want to give us, if you want to inquire about it, or want to ask any questions about it, just give us a call, or you want to email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. We've got more videos coming with different cars. You can see what we install on them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.